Oh, my hands in there.
Alright, hey guys, we're going to go ahead and install our power. So we checked earlier with a multimeter that the brown wire on this gray plug, the brown wire here, it's ground, and the gray wire, it's our positive, and that's where we're going to be hooking up our two wires for our MST4 kit. Now in the kit, it comes with these little blue things called P-Taps, and if you notice, you have a fatter side on the bottom and a skinnier side on top. So, and there are these caps on each end. So let's go ahead and remove it. And then in the bottom, the fatter side, be careful because there is kind of like a needle per se. And what it does is that it punches through the insulation of the wire, and so it can actually touch the metal part of the wire. So to use the P-Tap, you're going to take the bottom cap, and we'll take the ground, we'll do the ground wire first. You put the bottom, put it through like so, and then you take the tap itself, and you just screw it on top. So it kind of pinches the wire and it's nice and flush. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and do that to our gray wire here. And again, you take the bottom cap and just put it through like so, and then take a tap. Screw that in, and then again, nice and flush. Okay. Now to connect the wires from our MST4, we'll start with the positive. Take the top small cap, put the wire through it like so, and then we're going to insert the wire inside the P-Tap, and then carefully as you leave the wire in there, just kind of push down on the cap and then just turn it until it's tight. There you go, see? Do the same thing for our ground wire. So again, just push it through. So straighten out the wires a little bit here. Cool. And it's tight. And that's how you use the P-Taps that come with the kit.